You are like an ocean. All the rivers are entering into you. Every sound entering in your inner space is an ocean, is a river. Your inner space is an ocean. Every sound flowing into your inner space is a river. Just do not give meaning. Let that rivers flow into your ocean. Be that center of sounds. Suddenly you will see you are listening to the sound of sounds. Unbroken sound. Very powerful sound. You will be in a totally different frequency. This is the method to be practiced 24 hours for a particular time. For example, 10 or 20 minutes of your routine. Another one technique Mahadeva gives. Mahadeva is one of the beautiful name for Shiva. God of gods is Mahadeva. Means he is the God of Devatas, gods. Is beyond all the gods. He is giving one more beautiful technique. Put your fingers in the ears and visualize. You don't even have to visualize, there will be sound felt by you inside. If you put your fingers and lock the ears, there will be constant sound. Ooh. Feel. It's like a sound of the waterfall. As if the waterfall falling on you. Feel just like that. The flow of sound, the current of sound is falling and you are being bathed in that sound. And just relax in that sound. This is a technique which you can do sitting. Suddenly you will see you are entering into such a deep silence which can never be shaken by any sound, not even by somebody shouting, not by any word. You can't be shaken at all. You are just completely relaxed and centered. And you are in that Anahata Dvani. As Mahadeva says, uncreated sound. You are experiencing the uncreated sound. The Sahaja Dhyan means the meditation which you can do always will help you to be in that mood 24 hours. This technique will give you that solid experience just in 20 minutes. Try both. Sahaj you can do whole day, and this one thing at particular time, morning or evening, just for 20 days. You will see you achieve the state where no sound can disturb you from the outer world, where you experience the center of your being which can never be disturbed by anything. You will feel and experience a different frequency. As I was telling you, that sadhu, by and by, is so centered in his center, nothing was able to disturb him. Even the fear of death was not able to move him, disturb him. You will see that you get centered on deathlessness, on Mahadeva's silence, the intense silence. Let you all achieve, experience the intense silence, radiate, achieve and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.